So hello everyone. Uh, Today we are going to start a JavaScript session. Okay. So we will try to explain about JavaScript from basics to high level. Okay. So for now there are multiple points. Okay. About what is JavaScript. JavaScript is a scripting or programming language or both. There are multiple points. Okay. So which we can discuss. What is the basic of JavaScript. Okay, so we will try to use some of time English, some of time Hindi, so we can say we at we are talking in Hinglish, Hinglish. Okay, so if uh, this video will helpful. Okay, if the video is going to helpful for you, so you can like, and if any doubt, so you can comment on that uh, in comment box. Okay, or if you want to ask anything or you want to highlight something, whatever is in your mind. Okay, so you can add in the comment section. Okay, so for now, so let's start from what is JavaScript. Okay, so some of say JavaScript is scripting language, some of say Java is a programming language. So why we say JavaScript is scripting language, and some of them are saying that okay, JavaScript is a programming language. So JavaScript a programming language or JavaScript a scripting language. So there are very confusing point. Okay, so in initial point, okay, JavaScript was developed by Brandon Each. Okay, Brandon Each in 1995, he developed the JavaScript. In that time, there is some confusion. Okay, what is the interpreter? What is the compiler? Okay, so in that time, JavaScript was not using a compiling process. Okay, that only use an interpreter. Okay, and then every code will be executed at runtime. Okay, an interpreter uh, comes in the role. Okay, so uh, that time was saying JavaScript is scripting language. Okay, there are no process of compiling. Okay, there are no use of compiler, and there are other languages like Java. Java is a object oriented programming language. Why? Java call object oriented programming language. Java first, what will be process? First the compiler will compile the code and bytecode will generate, and then the bytecode will executed by the interpreter. Okay, that are JVM, Java Virtual Machine. There are some other session. Okay, so we can discuss on that. Okay, so let's discuss about JavaScript only. Okay, so JavaScript a programming language and scripting language. So in the beginning, JavaScript is scripting language, but for now JavaScript is a programming language. You can say object oriented programming language because it use JavaScript use object oriented programming language OOPS concept. Okay, and also use the compiler. The I will discuss about the V8 engine, which is using by the Chrome. Okay, which is developed by the Google. So I think you can understand JavaScript is a scripting or programming language. We can say both. Okay, because for now is a programming language, but earlier this was a scripting language. And this time also you can comment in the comment box which programming language is we are using most popular in the scripting language. You can comment in the comment box. Okay, so I can give one example like Python. Python is a also a scripting language, but not a programming language. Okay, for now. Okay, uh, so you can add multiple scripting language is available in that market. Okay, and multiple programming language in the uh, market. Okay, so you can comment in the comment box. So you can understand the basic concept of scripting and programming. In scripting basically used at runtime. Okay, there is no compilation process, but programming language we have a compiling process, then execution process. Okay, So that is the main things of scripting and programming language. Who is developed? So I already discussed about who is developed. Brandon Each. Brandon is a person who has developed JavaScript. Brendan Brandon Eich, EICH. Okay, in 1995. 1995, he was developed the JavaScript, and there are multiple version is available in the JavaScript now. I think ECMA 15, I think ECMA 14 I saw, ECMA script 14, but I also think ECMA 15 is coming. Okay, so that is a version. Okay, JavaScript latest version of JavaScript, latest. Yeah. Okay, June 2023, uh, June 2023, ECMA script 14 have been launched. Okay, and ECMA script also have launched. Need to check. Okay, so there are multiple version of JavaScript. Okay, in 1997, ECMA has launched the version. Okay, ECMA script. Okay, so uh, ES1, ES2, ES3, that is a version name. ES1, ES2, ES3, and so on. ES15 is the latest version of JavaScript. Okay, so this is a version of JavaScript. JavaScript libraries. Basically, in this point need to discuss at the end, but we have mentioned here. So we can discuss about JavaScript libraries in JavaScript framework in the last session of in the end in the session. Okay, so now let's go to the what is client side and server side. So basically, if someone ask, okay, somebody asked that what is the JavaScript. So some of say JavaScript is a programming language and it runs on both the client side and server side. So what is the client side and server side? Client side, basically you are using the browser. Okay, suppose you have opened the Chrome and then you are entering something, or might be you have written the code, and that once JavaScript web page is loaded, JavaScript will run in the backend. Okay, so someone said no, that what is the JavaScript? So JavaScript is a programming language. It runs on both client side. So what is client side? Client side means you are executing on the browser, and server side. Server side means like we can discuss like Node.js and other. There are other server side as well. Okay, so you can explain like Node.js. Node.js is a server side. So means here what is client side? Client side means in your browser what is you are in your browser, like Chrome, Edge, and something else. Okay, that, and server side is Node.js. Node.js. Okay, so you can understand that what is client side and server side. Okay, and now let's move on the next point, how runs and execute JavaScript. Okay, so this is a very big point. Okay, so little bit we can discuss, and if you like this video and if you want to more views on more more uh, more information on that, so we can discuss in the next video. Okay, how runs JavaScript on the browser or client side. Okay, So how runs and execute JavaScript? So uh, discuss that in that definition कि JavaScript runs both client side and server side. So once you have written the JavaScript code and JavaScript code, and you have a HTML page, and then you have saved that JavaScript in that HTML, okay, in the scripting tag, and then you have opened that HTML, then it will execute, okay. And Node.js is a different thing, so we can discuss the later, okay. And suppose how to understand Chrome that you have written the JavaScript code. So there are multiple things in that processing the code, okay. So for a little bit I will discuss, and the more I will discuss in the next video. uh, JavaScript, once you are clicking on you try to run JavaScript on the browser. Okay, so how to understand that? Okay, JavaScript is you have written JavaScript, and we need to provide this output. So JavaScript, there are multiple phase: parsing, compiling, and executing. And who is the responsible for this? So JavaScript is provided. Google has developed the V8 engine for Chrome. So V8 engine, V8 V8 engine provide the things, how to parse and then compiling and then executing, okay. So once you suppose once you try to execute JavaScript code on browser, so V8 engine comes in the role, okay. And V8 has a interpreter and compiler, okay. So first what will happen, first the code will uh, parse into the uh, readable format, okay, which we can say abstract ABST abstract. There are some name ABST. You can I am forgetting the full form, okay. So AB ABST, I think, no? So ABST, not AST. Okay, okay, sir. Yes, I remember that. AST, abstract syntax tree. Okay. ABSTRACT, abstract SYNTX syntax tree. So this is a format, okay. Once the V8 engine comes, an interpreter will start to reading code line by line, okay, and then it will provide some format, okay. So that is the JavaScript, that is the JavaScript format, you can say. So how it will understand what is the role of abstract JavaScript. So suppose we have written let's mm sum is equal to 3 plus 4. So what will happen? JavaScript parse the code into a respective token, okay. And the let is what is let, what is sum. So there are multiple token will be generated. Let will be one token, sum will be one token, equal to will be one token, 3 will be one token, plus will be one 4 will be one token, plus will be. So that is indicating, okay, what is the meaning of this code is written. So that is the role of the abstract syntax that will provide by interpreter. Interpret will be this code will read, okay. And then interpreter, ignition interpreter used by the Chrome, okay. And Chrome means V8 engine use the ignition interpreter, and ignition interpreter will perform these things, okay. And then will generate the bytecode, and then comes with compiling, Okay, so there is a turbofan compiler which is used by the V8 engine. Okay, so what will happen? Already bytecode is generated. So there are multiple things. Suppose you have written multiple variables. Okay, you have used multiple variables in the code. Okay, and there will be a same name, or you have written repetitive. Uh, you have used repetitive the functions and variables. So interpreter will generate the bytecode line by line, but com- compiling is the process will get the bytecode from the interpreter, and the compiler will check that okay, you have used multiple bytecodes with same function, same variable, so it will optimized that bytecode, and then it will execute by the V8 engine. Okay, so you can understand na, what is we are describing. Suppose we have used let sum 3 plus 4, then again we have used let sum is equal to 3 plus 4, then again we have used let sum is equal to 3 plus 4. So interpreter V8 engine interpreter what will do, it will generate 3 byte code, okay, for these 3 lines. Okay, and then bytecode will comes into compiling. So compiler will check turbofan. Okay, so for same things we have used the bytecode, so it will optimize. Okay, and same bytecode will be shared for 3 memory. Okay, location. Okay, and then will be executing the code by the V8 engine. Okay, and that will assign the memory. Okay, and it will execute and it will be success. Okay, so I think I have tried to explain the things. Okay, if you have any questions related to that, or if you have any doubts, or you want to give us some suggestion, okay, so you can add in the comment section. Okay, and I will improve that. Okay, so and if you this video is helpful for you, so you can like the video. Okay, okay, so thank you so much.